Find features that differentiate it from other brands for Royal Saunas Hongyuan 4-person outdoor vertical barrel sauna. And why you should buy choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why. Because there are features. Spacious 4-person vertical design. This outdoor sauna features a vertical barrel structure 78-inch height, 63-inch width, providing ample interior space for up to 4 adults. The upright layout allows for comfortable seating, making it an ideal addition to your home wellness area. ETL-Certificated 6 kW Harvia heater, equipped with a reliable 6 kW Harvia electric heater, designed for efficient and even heat distribution. It creates a consistent sauna environment, perfect for unwinding and personal relaxation at home. Atmospheric 5-color LED lighting, enhance your experience with built-in LED lighting offering 5 soothing color modes. Easily adjust the ambience via remote control to suit your mood while reading or relaxing. Premium natural cedar construction, crafted from high-quality imported cedar wood, known for its natural beauty and exceptional durability. The untreated wood provides excellent thermal insulation, making it suitable for year-round outdoor use in gardens or patios. Authentic aromatic experience, as the cedar wood warms, it releases a pleasant, natural wood scent, creating a traditional and calming atmosphere. Note: sauna stones are required for operation and must be purchased separately. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.